In the early 90s, the New World software was AS400 based. It was difficult to be very responsive at that point to the user's needs, because when they wanted to make a change in how they did business, it took me a long time to respond to those changes. When we made that change to enterprise, we were one of the first ones to make it to what is now the enterprise CAD. The software changed so much, and we were growing as an agency, and we're now dispatching, depending on how you count it, about 29 agencies. I had to have much greater efficiency in being able to respond to my users' needs. That really embodies what New World CAD is for us. When a fire chief comes to me and they say they want to change how they're going to respond to a call, I'm able to respond to that very quickly. It used to be that when they would come to me with a change, it would take me at a minimum weeks to respond to that change. I am now able to respond to that change in a matter of usually hours, sometimes as long as a day, and sometimes as quick as 10 minutes. We had a director coming from one of our neighboring dispatch centers, and he wanted to see what New World was about. And so he talked with a number of folks, and he came and sat with me, and I showed him how I do fire response plans. I started showing him some examples of an entire EMS section, and in the space of 10 minutes, I changed the entire response plan and the response configuration for an entire EMS district and changed it back inside of 10 minutes. And he almost fell out of his chair, because when his staff is asked to do the exact same thing I did in 10 minutes, it would take them 2 months. That was so impressive to him, and it made me feel really good about what I was able to do and what I'm able to offer my agencies that I'm providing services for. One of the things that allows us to make our communities safer together through the New World software is that when we get everyone integrated into one system, it allows me as a manager of all that data to make changes across the system very quickly, very responsively to the needs of the community as they change. New World has allowed us to become very dynamic and keep our communities safer.